I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer your data from your old Android to this new Android over here. So I recently got the Google Pixel 7 Pro, as you can see, and this Redmi I've been using it for over 3 years. So today I want to transfer all my files from this phone to this. So just flow with me so you can also transfer yours on your end. Now to make this transfer possible, we need three different things. Very first one is this cable over here, okay, and the second one is a portable MiFi, and the third is, so if your new phone was used like mine, I recommend you reset it to factory setting. I've already done mine, okay, and for your old phone, ensure you back it up to Google, right? So I'm going to be turning this on because I've done the factory reset, as you can see, and this, let me just unlock it, okay? So hi there, okay, then I'll connect to Wi-Fi. It's getting my phone ready. So connect to mobile network or set up a SIM. I'm going to skip this for now. Skip. Copy. It says copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contact, Google Contact, and more. Then I click on next. Okay, so this is what you want to do. It says use another device. You need another Android device or an iPhone or iPad. Turn it on and keep it unlocked. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to use this cable. Click on next. Say find your other device cable. Use a cable that fits. So devices are connected. I click on copy. I will have to approve it with my fingerprints, and it's already copying, as you can see. Now the interface on these phones may look different. For Go Pixel, you guys saw how it looked like. Now this is how it looks like on Xiaomi and also how it looks like on Samsung. While this is getting ready to copy, if you do not have a cable, I'm going to show you how you can use just your Wi-Fi by the end of this video. And also for Samsung users, it is slightly different to copy, from one Samsung or from one Android to a Samsung. I'll also show you how you can go about that once I'm done with this. Okay, so as you can see, it's telling me to choose what I want to copy: my apps, messages, call history, contact, photos and videos, music and others, documents, device setting and password. Okay, so you can decide to check out all this or just remove any of this, but I want to copy everything, and it's 29 gig out of this is a 128 gig phone. So I'm just going to click on copy. Okay, then now it is copying data. As you can see on both phones, it is copying, and I want to set a pin. So one fingerprint added. I click on next. So it is still copying. So we started this 3:30 and this is 3:39. It is still copying. So once we're done, I'm going to tell you how many minutes it took me to finish copying from this my phone over here to this. For iPhone users, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your file from your iPhone to your Android or from your Android to your iPhone, vice versa. And also, if you want to transfer from an older iPhone to a more recent iPhone, I'll be showing how you can also do that. So make sure you like this video and also subscribe to my channel. So when I drop that video for you guys, you'll be the first to get notified, okay? So as you can see, it is done copying. See, you can disconnect the cable now. And this is everything it's copied. So I click on done and it's getting my phone ready. This may take a few minutes. It says copying finished also. Continue setup on your Pixel. Click on close. So we are ready to roll. And as you can see, it is the same wallpaper I'm using. So we started 3:30 and this is 3:55. So this is about 25 minutes and it is dependent on the size of file you want to transfer. Okay, so if yours is larger than 29 gig, then it may stay longer than 25 minutes. I just checked my photos and everything is there, as you can see. However, for the apps, I think I have to download all this, install all this manually. Or are they still downloading? Okay, as you can see, it is still installing 4 out of 117 apps. Now, if you don't have a USB cable with you to transfer your files, you can always tap here and click on copy without cable. On your old phone, open the Google app and say
Set up my device.
and confirm all the screens that appear until you get to this particular page that I showed you before. Now, for Samsung users, here's how you can transfer your files as it's a bit different from other Android phones.
Because when you tap here, it shows you the code to transfer all your Google accounts. Then it connects to the phone and shows you this window, which, when you continue, will ask you to install Smart Switch on your old phone and request many permissions. Continue to choose the method you want to transfer the data and proceed to select once more which data you want to transfer to your new device.
Now, one good thing about this method is that it is completely free. You can choose to send your photos, your videos, your apps, and even the settings on this your old phone to your new phone. As you guys saw, even the same wallpaper. Okay. However, There's certain apps like WhatsApp where you have to manually back up on your old phone, then restore it on the new phone, and any other app that requires that same process. So guys, if this video helped you in transferring your files from your old Android to your new Android, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification icon so that when I create more videos like this, even reviewing this Google Pixel and even the whole Samsung and telling you how I use this, you guys will be first to get notified. So I'll see you guys on the next video.